What if I told you that you might not need to work until 65? What if one day your investments could pay off for your lifestyle and working and became a choice instead of a necessity? This is the idea behind FIRE, Financial Independence Retire Early. And no, FIRE does not mean you need to become a millionaire overnight or quit your job tomorrow. It simply means building enough financial freedom so that you have more control over your time and life. Let's make this simple. Imagine the lifestyle cost you $50,000 per year. If you can build a portfolio of investments that can potentially support your expenses over the long term, you may eventually reach financial independence. The exact number will be different for everyone because everyone's lifestyle is different. Someone may be comfortable living off $40,000 a year, while someone else may need $100,000 or more. The FIRE strategy is based on a very simple idea: earn more, spend less, and you earn, invest, and difference. For example, imagine you earn $100,000 a year and manage to invest $30,000 per year. You are not just saving money, you are buying assets that may grow and potentially generate income over time. As your investments grow, your money can start working alongside you. But FIRE in Australia has an important detail that many people forget: superannuation. Your employer generally contributes 12% of your qualifying earnings into super, and that money is invested for your future retirement. Super can become a very powerful part of your long-term wealth building strategy. However, you generally cannot access it whenever you want. For most people, access usually depends on meeting the relevant conditions, with age 60 being an important preservation age milestone and age 65 generally allowing regardless of whether you are still working. So let's say you want to stop working full-time at age 50, you may need two different plans. The first is enough money invested outside super to support your lifestyle from age 50 until you access your super. The second is enough money inside super to help support your later years. This is one of the biggest differences between FIRE in Australia and many FIRE examples that you see online from other countries. Now here's what FIRE becomes really interesting. Financial independence does not necessarily mean never working again. Maybe you want to work 3 days a week, maybe you want to start a business, maybe you want to travel more, or maybe you want to spend time with your family. Maybe you simply want the freedom to leave a job you hate without worrying about how you will pay your bills. This is the real power of financial independence. You can get more choices, but there is also a reality check. FIRE is not guaranteed. Investments can fall, inflation can make life more expensive, your plans can change, you can have unexpected medical, family, or housing expenses. You can have no idea exactly how long your money will need to last. This is why FIRE should not be about blindly following someone else's number or copying their investment strategy. Instead, start your own numbers. How much do you spend each year? How much you can realistically save and invest? How much you can increase your income? What investments fit your goals and risk tolerance? And how will you manage the years before you can access your super? You do not need to be rich to start. You do not need to invest thousands of dollars every month. The most important thing is to start. Stay consistent and give your investments time. Even small numbers or amounts invested regularly over many years can potentially grow into something meaningful because of the power of compounding. So FIRE is not really about asking, can I retire at 30? The best question is, how much freedom can I create for my future self? Because the goal is not to escape work, the goal is to make work optional. And remember this, your salary can pay for your life today, but your investments can help buy your freedom tomorrow. This video is for educational purposes only and is not personal financial advice. Always consider your own circumstances and seek professional advice if you need help making financial decisions. If you are interested in these type of videos and financial freedom, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you.